Beautiful and luxurious. If you want the feeling of luxury and a dash of history, this bathroom set is just perfect. It is from NOS, which is new old stock. It's something that was created a time ago, but was never used. So it could have been like an overstock, something like that. And this would be wonderful, say, for a bathroom restoration. Or it could be for creating a new bathroom. And it is a rare, pristine find. This particular set is a recessed bathroom set, which means if you notice the back side, you will see that there are extensions along the back. There's no hooks, anything of that nature. It is to be put in as it is tiled. It is part of that process. So it would be very secure. There are other ways to adhere it to your walls, but that was its original intention. Now, these were never used, and it definitely has this old world aesthetic to it. When I was in Italy, I used to live there. That's what this reminds me of. Even though not everything looked like that in Italy, everything just looked historical because a lot of it was, if not most of it. This set features a French Baroque scroll design, and it's cast in a heavy, high-quality stone with natural mineral sparkles that catch the light beautifully. Sadly, the videos I've taken and the photographs don't show those mineral inclusions, the little sparkles, but they are definitely there. And they're small enough to where they might catch your eye. This was not salvaged from an old home with the residue or chips on the back sides. It's never been used. So it's much easier to install, because if you do get the older kind that's been used, then you have to remove the residue. And here, it's just a matter of putting it in, tiling it in, or making it recessed into the wall. Its age is likely mid to late 20th century. It's cast in heavy stone with mineral sparkles, and those mineral sparkles could be potentially mica, feldspar, quartz, I'm not sure. Definitely has a distinctive level of durability and visual appeal. Pieces in this NOS condition are highly sought after. Now, one thing I would like to point out is that it is raw. It's not been sealed. All of the pieces are made out of NOS architectural recessed casts. The material is cast stone with mica, quartz, maybe feldspar inclusions, which is the source of the sparkles. The design is a Victorian Baroque style, ornate scroll work. The condition is excellent because it is NOS or new old stock condition, never installed. And the color is a natural off-white cream. Now we'll go on to the sizes. The toilet paper holder, the mounting is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 recessed tile in back. The dimensions are approximately 12 1/4 inches tall, 8 1/4 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. And the spindle gap is 5 1/2 inches, which is the standard US size. So finding the spindle should not be a challenge. Number 2 is the soap holder. Its mounting area is 3 1/2 by 2 inches, the recessed tile in back, and its dimensions are approximately 7 inches tall, 5 inches wide, and 4 inches deep. Number 3, the towel bar ends. There are both sides, so it's 2 separate pieces. On both of them, the mounting is 3 inches by 3/4 inches, the recessed tile and back. The dimensions are approximately 6 inches tall, 2 inches wide, and 4 inches deep. Now on to the final one, the towel/robe hanger. The mounting size is 3 1/8 inch by 2 5/8 inches, recessed tile and back. The dimensions are approximately 10.5 inches tall, 5 inches wide, 4 1/4 inches deep. I find this set absolutely beautiful and just ready to install. It would help to transform a bathroom into something luxurious and old world. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.